Alright my friends, welcome to another video here. Today we're talking about our 40 volt lithium batteries. So I like my cordless Ryobi weed eater and blower and hedge trimmer. They all work great. One thing, I had these batteries, the original Ryobi ones. After about 4 or 5 years they're going to stop working on you. So I was looking into buying a new one. So the only thing is, if you get a the ones that came with it, they're 2.6 amp hours on that. And so a new one, replacement runs about $129 or something like that. So you can get a 4 amp hour one Ryobi for $138 on Amazon. I'm looking at it right now. Anyway, so I was like looking, I was like, well, I don't really want to spend a whole bunch, but I found these Lasica, whatever brand. So this is a 6 amp hour 40 volt lithium, and it runs about $101. So it was not a whole bunch cheaper, but if you look at the similar one of the Ryobi one, it's $175, so it's quite a bit cheaper. And I'll just have to say that I tried this one out the other day, and I was pretty happy with it. It fits perfectly. It doesn't. So I was able to edge and weed eat my entire front and backyard, and use the blower to blow everything off, and do a couple start trimming some bushes with my hedge trimmer. So all of that with this one battery before it ran out of juice, and it was probably, I'd say, at least 45 minutes of straight time on the of nonstop weed eating and edging with the weed eater, and then probably at least an hour of just nonstop working with this thing. So super happy, because before it would take me 2 of these bad boys to do the front and backyard. So this one did the job, and just one. So twice the battery that those are. And it does have the little display here on the back that shows you the battery charge, just like the Ryobi one. So far, I'm super happy with it. I saved similar one. I saved $75, so I was going to get the Ryobi one. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this one out or whatever. So far, so good. It's working great, and I've got no complaints with it. So yeah, I'll leave that link in the description below, like I said, and you guys can maybe do some research for yourselves. But just thought I'd share that with you guys. If you want to maybe save $1 or whatever. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.